Hi guys, Carlos Sparrow 2.0 and welcome back to another unboxing video. However, this time we have a special pack right in front of us, also from Auto World. This one is a car pack, meaning there's 4 cars in this one. And we're going to take a look at each one. Now there are some information here. You guys will not be able to see the words, but I can, in my point of view. So I'll tell you guys. For the Firebird, this is the first release of our 4th Gen Pontiac Firebird convertible casting, and with the top down after the '67 Chevy El Camino. It's called Granite Gold with one year only color for the from General Motors. Across her other mates, it was called the Signet Gold or Gold Mist. Now, as for the Mustang SBO or the Foxbody SBO, it said the turbocharged 4-cylinder engine in the Mustang SVO was also used in the lesson special for EXP Turbo. And as for the Cougar Eliminator, it was only made in 1969 and 1970. The Eliminator package was an additional $129.80. Why would I know that? So yeah, that's why you rarely see the Cougar Eliminator. I know I see only one, and I do have a video of one. One of the car shows I went to over 6 weeks ago. So, without further ado, we're going to get in our box and get a look at all 4. So, here we go. Oh yeah, no, the only place we have to find these 4-pack is Target. That's where you only can find these packs. Alright, I got the 4-pack out. Now I just need to get everything out. So we got the cars. Alright, now we'll start showing you guys the cars. So we're going to start with the Firebird convertible. That's from 1986. This is very nice for a Firebird. Hey, look at that. The details on this one is quite. So even though it's still a pop out, but there are other headlights and the turn signals in the front of the Firebird. Now here's the rear. This one also do quad test just like the coupe version. And to be that. And even though the coupe version is made in 1994, this one is made in 1996, 2 years after the coupe. Now we're going to take a look at inside the car. And you see here, the interior is custom. It looks very good. Highly detailed too. That's a nice looking Firebird, and I'm glad I got one of these. Alright, now I'll put that Firebird over there, kind of get the '67 Chevy El Camino. There's the El Camino, you guys, and the details on look very nice on this one. Like those headlights and taillights. Yeah, reverse lights. The wheels look very nice too, and there's even a black roof on it, just like the GTO. The wheels look very nice too. Yeah, take a look at the color. And why Grand Gold was the only color for this car. Let's see here. Alright, I put the El Camino back here. Time to get the next car, the Ford Mustang SBO. And the Fox body. Detail on this one is very nice. Look at all the details on this one. And I love the wheels on this one. It does look very nice for these SVOs. One of the best Mustang models ever made. Well, that's put the Mustang SVO back here. Because it's time to get the final car in this pack. The Murphy Cougar Eliminator. There's a wide amount of details all over on this car. With the grill, the headlights, the taillights, even the badging. And it's all over this one. And it's light blue. Rare color choice for Mercury. Last time I saw a Cougar Eliminator, I think it was in this very color. I think. I'm not sure exactly though. I'm gonna take a look in my photos found on the show. I went to 6 weeks ago. Well, you guys, that's it. That's all of the unboxing videos for this time. And so, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully at the VW Cruise Night. Okay, so I'll see you guys soon. Goodbye, everyone.